parametric out. This is the very first one, right? You can even click on the first one, make sure it's the first one. You're also going to need headphones for this one. So I'm going to do this real quick. What you want to do, actually I can do this without the headphones. I just need to turn this up, so it's going to sound weird to you guys for a second. Alright. I definitely recommend headphones. But all you do, take this, right? You can start with any one. Take it, put it up to the top. Press
yeah, guys. This is my audio with the Phantom.
You want to sweep from left to right, right to left, any direction. You just want to hit all those spots that are really, really out there, even the little spots, and listen for sounds you do not like. You want to listen to all the sounds, all the different frequencies in there. Pick out 3 that you really don't like. You think the song would sound way better without. So,
Yeah, guys.
I'm gonna do this real quick.
Yeah, guys. This is my audio with the Phantom Power on. Da 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 da. Yes, sir.
When you're all the way on the right side, don't do it a lot. That's just me telling you. Do it about this far. If anything, you can do it a little less. But don't go past, like right there. If you're all the way over here to the right. If you're all the way over here.
Yeah, guys. This is my audio with the Phantom Power on. Da.
You hear that? That's nasty.
Yeah, guys. This is my audio with the Phantom Power on. Da 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 da.
So much better. You can pull this one so much further down, by the way. You could even go all the way down here. Wouldn't recommend it all the time, but sometimes some people get on here, it's worth it, you know, and make them sound better. So, I'm going to do one more.
Yeah, guys. This is my audio with the Phantom Power on. Da 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 da. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys. This is my audio with the Phantom Power on. Da 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 da. Yes, sir.
Alright, now you can see each different size. You want it to look like this. The bass is going to be the most that you take out. The highs are not going to be the most that you take out. For real. Mids, here and there. Alright. Let's say you did all 6 of these. You got this sounding amazing. Sometimes you don't need all 6 of these. You got to sound them right. To you. You did as much as you need to do. Don't do too much. Don't overthink it. Alright, that's out the way.